Welcome to another session on IT and Automation Academy's YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you 5-step process to get a job as a fresh engineer if you are a student and you're watching me right now. First of all, you have to select the domain. For instance, if in the case you are electronics engineer, apart from automation, you can get into many other fields. So the first step would be to decide which exactly field you want to give it a try. The next step is to start learning, and you can learn during the degree as well, because in current time there are many courses available online that would help you to learn the skills which are in demand. The biggest problem right now is universities are actually not training you or not teaching you what's required in industry. That's why it's always wise to start learning. For instance, you got a semester gap, there's a vacation in between, or you got in some free time. For instance, you want to get a start in PLC, then you have to start looking into PLC courses available online and start learning it by yourself. All you have to do is you can start with internships. Once you're doing internship, you have to create a good reputation in that organization. If in the case you want to excel and want to grab the job in automation field early, my advice is to take internship during the degree and do it seriously and learn something out of it. Another advice would be not to listen many of negative talks going on in current time. Everybody knows that the job market is bad, but there are still graduates who are getting the jobs in current time as well. So my advice is not listen to negative talks. Always be positive. Keep your mind clear and stay focused what's required. You should be looking for the goal, but be realistic in the process. You might face some hurdles. This is the time you would be tested. If in the case you stay focused and determined and carry on with the process, for sure sooner or later you're gonna get the job. But if in the case during the process you give up, then mark my words, you will end as a loser. So the key point is learn every day. And another very important point is to have a continuous learning process. Determination matters. There are few folks who actually apply for 2 or 3 jobs and they think that might be the situation is bad, that's why they are not getting response. Eventually they give up. Be positive in this process, because that is the key. These are the steps that can help you to get a job early. I would be starting very soon regular live Instagram where I would be taking you guys on the call. If in the case you want to participate in these live sessions, all you have to do is there's Instagram information provided in the screen and also into the description of this video. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram. I will see you soon live. That's all for today. If in the case you like this video, consider hitting the like button. If in the case you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Until next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.